You are the biggest bird off.
Why, thank you. I am, aren't I?
I have some water right here.
Well, hey! Don't even think about it.
Oh, sorry, fish.
How about this one, Sally? I'm glad we have bones, even if it means we can't jiggle. Me too.
And I'm glad some things have no bones, because they wouldn't be so much wiggly and jiggly yummy fun.
Isn't this a good time?
Next up, Freeze Your Knees Snowland.
Are you kidding? It's even colder there. If we're going to freeze your knees snowland, I'm bringing my earmuffs.
Good idea. We don't want it to be called Freeze Your Fin Snowland, do we?